Welcome, beautiful people. You're welcome back to my channel as usual. Today's a video I wanted to share with you how you can actually make use of a whitening cream without having the adverse effects that comes with it. So many people believe that a whitening cream actually causes cancer. Yes, because of the ingredient that is actually being used to make it, but there are ways you can actually make use of it and you still get the great result that you need on your skin without having to cause any kind of damages like white spots, like psoriasis, eczema, knuckles and all that. You can actually make use of the white cream and it doesn't do all that on your skin. All you need to know is how you can use it, when to use it, and what you can add to it in order to bring down the efficacy. So let's quickly dive into the video because this video I don't intend to make it long. All right, the first thing you need to do if you're using a whitening cream that contains hydroquinone or steroid, first thing you need to know is that that cream is actually to treat something. Most of the companies they produce a whitening cream because they want to treat white dots, they want to treat dark spots, they want to treat so many things on the skin. So it's not really advisable for you to use it as a body cream. Rather, it is advisable for you to use it in some kind of way to get the effect that it's going to give you and give you this beautiful skin that you actually need. And if you tell somebody that you are actually using a cream like maybe a Caro White and you have a blemish free skin, a very beautiful skin, the person might not actually believe you. But there are ways you can use it. So I'm going to use a case study, Caro White. Majority of people know this cream to be a disaster. They know this cream to be such that will cause stretch marks, such that will cause all kind of malfunctions on the skin. And to some extent, yes, it is true due to how you used it. Whatever you put on your skin, that's the result you're going to get. So the first, you have to know the ingredients of Caro White. See the ingredients of the whitening cream. And any cream that contains hydroquinone, you need to be very careful because you see on the label 2% of hydroquinone, but rather they put more than 4% of it in the cream to make it really active. That is why you use Caro White, and the first, second, third day it begins to see maximum effect on your skin and you love it and you begin to use it, and within 3 weeks you won't love what you're going to be seeing because it's going to do something worse, that it will take more than that price or even double over 100 to treat it. So we need to be very careful, but that doesn't mean you cannot use it. You can still use it. The first step for you to do if you're using any whitening lotion is for you to reduce the way you use it, reduce the number of days you actually use it on your skin. 3 days is a maximum for you to use something like Caro White on your skin, something that you know is harsh, something that you know is not just a base whitening cream. You know, there are actually lotions that are just mere base whitening cream, but they tell me to be whitening creams, but they don't really do much if you use it. For example, if you're talking about Bedon, if you're talking about QAI, you're talking about those can even be termed as moisturizers, though they are really not. But they are just, for me, they are just mere base creams that you can use to do a whitening cream. They don't do any whitening on their own. But if you're talking about secondary cream that has enough, that have enough synthetic ingredients, then you need to use it with sense. Whitening is all about being sensible. If you just grab something from the counter and use it on your skin, you're going to hate yourself because this thing is very difficult to recover from it. So you need to be extremely careful. I am dragging that word now. You need to be extremely careful. So using a whitening cream for 3 days, 3 days in a week, 3 days in a week should be maximum for you. And you are not supposed to use it under the sun. Use it only at night. Or if you know that that day you're just going to be indoors and you have AC in your home, then you are good. You won't experience any problem. Yes, you're good. you can use it during the day. That's if you have AC in your home or in your office. No matter how you shield yourself, you cannot escape hydroquinone. If you're using it under the sun, it will damage your skin. So to prevent this, it's advisable for you to use it at night. And at night, while you're using it, try to make yourself very comfortable. That's have a fan, have an AC, or let your environment be cold. Or allow the cream to sink into your body very well before you relax and begin to sweat. Because if you're using anything like steroid, if you're using like hydroquinone, you just put it on your skin, you see, begin to sweat. You sweat profusely. You sweat such that you can't even control it if your environment is not cold. So that is the first step, or that is the second step. Use it 3 times in a week and use it only at night. Another step, you can use any cream that contains hydroquinone or steroid, and you know you love the effect it's having on your skin, but you don't like it because somehow it's giving you patches, you're having dark feet, you're having dark hands, but the cream generally is good, but you're having dark feet, you're having knuckles, and you still want to use it. Then it's better you use it as a mask. Use it as a body mask. Don't use it as a body cream. That is the trick most people use. All this whitening products and they don't have any adverse effects because they apply their scents. So if you're using it as a body mask, for example, you bath yourself with a warm water. That way you're opening your pores, you're opening your skin pores, and all your pores is open, and you mask this product on your skin. Mask it enough on your skin, and then you stay for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Everything sinks in, and you wash off. The same way you make use of your facial mask, the same way you make use of body masks, that is the same way you're going to use it. And you do this like 3 times in a week, and only at night. You are going to love your skin. I tell you, you are going to love what you get. And the funny part of it is that nobody will ever believe that you're actually using a very cheap whitening lotion. Nobody, except the person already knows the truth. So use it as a body mask. Stay for 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water. By then you're closing your pores and everything has sinked in, and you begin to see, you begin to see good results. Another step that you can take, this, I think this, I've gotten to my foot now. Another step that you can use with your whitening lotion, case study, Caro White, is for you to use it for just a month and then you stop. Remember, anything that contains steroid hydroquinone is supposed to treat something. That thing is meant to treat something. Very importantly, it is meant to treat something. Most of the time, the side effect of what is treating is what causes your skin to be white. That is the truth. It comes as a side effect, but they're taking it as a good effect. So if you want to use steroid, you want to use hydroquinone, use it for a month, then you stop. Please use it only at night. After a month, change to a moisturizer. I'm going to be listing 3 moisturizers that you can use that is not going to darken your skin and will not return your shade back to the way it was. Rather, it's going to maintain that skin tone for you. And if you begin to see that yes, you're going darker, then you can go back to it, but make sure you use it and stop. Don't use it like that as a routine. You are going to damage something on your body and you won't be able to recover in a long while. And you know that having patience is very difficult. Everybody wants something to work at once because nobody wants to see themselves having an ugly skin. No, your skin is the first thing seen before they're even talking about inner beauty. What comes first is you. This is you. So you need to be extremely careful. So 3 moisturizers that you can use to replace your whitening lotion is number 1. I'm going to list Gori lotion. Gori lotion contains omega-3 fatty acid, and It's made with that, so it glows your skin and polish it for you. If you even have a dark skin, if you have a dark skin, you can make use of that to polish your skin. See the skin that you're going to be shining and shimmering under the sun. That's what I'm talking about. It polishes your skin, glows your skin, and beautifies it, and doesn't darken you. You know, there are some moisturizers that darken. There are some moisturizers that darken the skin. Yes, quite alright. I'm aware of that. Yes, I've used them, and I know some of them that does darken the skin. Maybe in my next video I'm going to be pointing them out for you, so that if you are a fair person and you want to maintain your fairness, you stay clear from those moisturizers, because they can put you off. The next moisturizer that you can use, this one can actually be used as a base cream and also can be used as a secondary cream, is Uri lotion. You can make use of Uri lotion to maintain your skin tone after you have gotten to the degree that you want. Gotten to the skin tone that you want, you're comfortable with it, you love it, then you can make use of Uri lotion or Camo lotion to maintain it. You know, they started bringing out fake Uri lotion in the market, so they actually changed their branding. Now it's Camo, but it's still the same content. And this cream is like a secondary cream, but it's also like a base. It's not thick, but it's light. You can use it as a moisturizer. It maintains your skin. It doesn't take you higher, doesn't take you lower. No, it doesn't. It's there, but it's sure going to deeply moisturize your skin. That's what it does. So you replace this with a moisturizer, and then you move on. You can add a vitamin E oil to your moisturizer, and then use it to maintain your skin complexion that you've gotten from that, if you were using it exactly the way I have mentioned. Another way that you can actually use it is to use it as a scrub. You can make use of your whitening lotion as a scrub. Case study: Caro White, use it as a scrub. That is when you can actually make use of it to cure your dark knuckles, cure your dark feet, cure your dark spots. You know, any spots you have, you want to treat it, you want to get rid of it, you can actually make use of it. Just add, but you have to be careful, because the things you're adding may alter the hydroquinone effects of that lotion. You can actually make use of something, a powder that you know has a neutral pH. Don't use sugar nor salt. Sugar is acidic, salt is alkaline, and that can alter the content that the cream has. So if you do not want to alter the content that it has, you can actually make use of an oil base or a nut base. So you can actually make use of walnut powder. I'm going to be recommending walnut powder. You use it, you can add it to your whitening lotion that you sure, yes, this does it, but it's just that it's going to damage your stuff. So you can add it there, and use it to scrub your dark spots, scrub your dark face, scrub your knuckles. You know, any discoloration you have on your skin is going to help a lot, and it's going to help your skin to be blemish free. All those things that you have on your skin, hyperpigmentation, patches on your skin, is going to help with that if you use your whitening cream that way. And after you scrub and rinse off, after staying for 20 minutes or more in rinse off, you make use of an oil based moisturizer. Use it to moisturize that skin area. For example, you can make use of your almond oil, you can make use of a carrot oil, you can make use of jojoba oil. No, jojoba oil penetrates deeply into your skin, so it's going to really moisturize your skin. I recommend jojoba oil. Or you can make use of olive oil. Any of those oils, you can use it as your moisturizer. And whenever you're using a whitening lotion, make sure to not neglect your weekend oils, your career oils. Mask it on yourself during weekends. Let it sink in and help your skin to rejuvenate your skin and help it stay healthy. You need that so much. You should not joke with your career oils, please, especially if you're using a whitening product. So if you use your whitening product this way, you're not going to have any problem with white patches, hyperpigmentation, eczema, psoriasis, you know, all those dark knuckles, dark feet that comes as a result of harsh chemicals in whitening lotion. You are just going to see your skin beautiful, and nobody is going to believe that cheap whitening cream in the market that people are saying causes stretch mark, neglect it, can actually do this for you. So try it this way and you are going to be grateful for it. If it's your first time here, you just stopping by, please remember to hit that subscription button. That is the task that you have to perform in this channel. Hit that subscription button, thumbs up this video, and share it to wherever you would like to share to your friend. Let your friend share it to another friend, let your friend share, let another friend share it to another friend, and all that. Thank you very much, darling. I'm very grateful to my subscribers. You know, you're the best for me, and I'll continue to say that you're just the best. Thank you very much. Bye.